The world's most famous early printed book nearly ruined its printer. Around 1450, one craftsman bets everything on faster books. In Mainz, Johannes Gutenberg builds a press with movable metal letters and thick ink. Johann Fust's support keeps it alive, but every delay grows the debt. Gutenberg chooses a terrifying test, a complete Latin Bible, hundreds of pages long. One crooked line or smear could ruin a sheet. Every page must repeat precisely. 10 pages emerge dark, sharp, and remarkably uniform. The gamble looks brilliant, but Fust demands repayment, turning victory into a courtroom fight. Gutenberg loses control of much of his operation. It feels like defeat, yet the Bibles survive. Their repeated pages prove knowledge can travel beyond a scribe's hand. The exact number printed remains debated, but the consequence is certain. Identical texts multiply ideas, arguments, and authority across Europe. Gutenberg loses his workshop while his process escapes and changes history.